Hey everyone, it's me, and today we're going to talk about Windows 8.1. I just upgraded my Windows 8 to 8.1, and yes, you can do that through the Windows Store app. So we go to Start, and then you go to the Windows Store app on your Windows 8 device. It will be the first thing that you're going to see there. Upgrade to 8.1. So here's the thing. Upgrading to 8.1 doesn't delete anything. It keeps your settings. Yes, I do have a black screensaver. I do have I do have a black wallpaper. Sorry about that. And it kept it. When I connected to the internet, it did keep the settings. So basically, I'm connected, and I didn't have to type in my password. All I had to do was do the code just for the people who have the Microsoft account, like the Hotmail account or something like that. It asks you to type in your password, and then it sends you a code on your cell phone or something like that. But anyway, after that, everything is fine. It takes about an hour to do everything, including downloading the upgrade from the store to Windows, upgrading it and setting it up automatically for you. Right? So let's go to the start menu right here. The start menu is back. Yay. Um, and when you hit start menu, the start menu, you still see the Metro. It doesn't give you that other start menu from XP. From Windows 7 or Windows XP. It's still going to be the Metro screen. Alright, and as you can see, if you can remember Windows 8, when you install something, it automatically puts it here on the start menu. And then when you go to get all your apps, to find all your apps, you have to right click, and there's like an option. There used to be an option here where you can view all of your apps. Now they changed that. They have this arrow button right here. So when you press the arrow button, you're gonna see all your apps and all the software that you've installed on your computer. Now you can sort the apps by name, by date installed, mostly used, or by category. Category is I kind of changed a lot. It doesn't, if I'm looking for Microsoft Office, I go to the category view just to see all of the stuff by category. Now, if I installed an app and I couldn't find it, I can go to by date installed. Now, what's good about Windows 8.1 is if you install something, it doesn't automatically put it on your start screen, like start menu, like right here. Look at all the stuff that I've installed here. I haven't even cleaned it up. Everything, all the crap just went on this one. That's Windows 8, and it kept the settings. If that was your preference, and it kept it, it won't remove anything. So basically, I have to clean this up, and then the new apps for the Bing apps right here. It's got the food and drink, and the add to shopping list actually works now, which is pretty cool. I've been waiting for that to work. And then the hands-free mode. Um, Hold on, let's see. I haven't even tried it yet. Okay. Okay, I'm trying it. See if it works better than before. However, I don't know which camera it's using. Let's see. Permission. I have no idea what camera it's using right now, because it's not detecting my hand. and my camera is not lit, so I'm thinking it's probably looking for another camera, which I'm using the other camera to record this one, or fake camera to record my desktop. So anyway, I'll keep you up to date on that one. I'm excited to see whether that works fine now or not. Windows 8.1 preview, I've been having problems with especially the search. I had to restart every time I had to do the search for some reason. I don't know what happened. But when I was trying to preview in my Surface tablet, it just, I don't know what happened. Every time you type something like a file, like I said, Rihanna, it doesn't do anything. So that one's fixed, obviously. What else is new here? If you're using a regular laptop and not a tablet or any touchscreen device, and you're getting annoyed with this charms settings, when you put your, for example, you have your browser up or something, and then you're trying to close it, this thing pops up sometimes when you put your cursor way back there in the corner, and it gets annoying sometimes. You can turn that off. Settings, go to change PC settings. I think it's PC and devices, corners and edges, and you can choose to show charms or not. You can actually do the shortcut too, which is the Windows button and C. So if you're annoyed by the charms, you can turn that off. And the apps that are open on the side right here, if you're annoyed by that one too, you can turn that off. But yeah, it's, I mean, I normally just remove the one for charms because that one kind of gets annoying sometimes when you put your cursor on top and swipe it down. Okay, what else here? As you can see, the PC settings here is different. It used to be like account in the very top, and it still has this one, but all the other options are still here. So basically, when you hit account, you still see all of these used to be, but now it's not like that anymore. When you hit account, it actually changes your options right here, and it's easier to use, it's easier to see. You also have the SkyDrive settings there. Search and apps, you can still do your search options here. And then the sharing, of course. Notifications. Now the thing about another feature that I like about Windows 8 is that you don't have to download the updates for all the apps. It automatically does it. You know, if you remember, when you go to Windows Store and then you see updates here somewhere, or need updates, whatever, you have to click it and then you have to update every single one of them. This one doesn't do that anymore. It just automatically updates it for you. Now the Windows Store, it's different as well. If you can see, it does have the search bar here. Used to be, you have to bring up the charms to actually. Oops, I just lost that. Alright, sorry. Used to be you have to bring up the charms to search something on the store, but now you can just simply type it on the search bar, which is, I think it's really necessary, especially for some people who have no idea how to use the new Windows. Alright, and then now you have more options in the store. If you right click, you see all these options right here. You have the Picks for you, top paid, top free, new and rising, and trending. And then you can sort it by game, social, entertainment, or anything by category. It's easier to find. Basically, you don't have to scroll right here to go all the way back there to find the educational apps. And then you have an option here to see your apps. And then your account, which I'm not gonna do that right now. Okay, what else is updated here? Let's see. I think that's pretty much it. Personalization control panel. Yeah, you still have your control panel on the side. You still have the personalization here. PC info is still there in the help. And then when you right click here, you still see all of these options right there. And another new thing about this one is when you right click on this one, you actually see shutdown option. Instead of going to the charms, instead of opening up the charms, going to settings and power button, it's more convenient to right click shutdown. So yeah, that's about it.